How do you add transmission fluid? Are you a teenager just starting your journey with car ownership? Knowing how to add transmission fluid is a handy skill that can save you time and money. Let's break down the steps to ensure your vehicle runs smoothly. First, let's talk about what transmission fluid does. This fluid lubricates the moving parts inside your car's transmission. It helps with smooth gear shifts. If the fluid is low or dirty, it can lead to shifting problems or even damage to your transmission. Now, before you start, make sure your car is parked on level ground. Start the engine and let it run for about 15 to 30 minutes. This warms up the transmission fluid, giving you a more accurate reading. Don't forget to engage the parking brake to keep your car from moving. Next, gather your tools. You will need the correct type of transmission fluid for your car, which you can find in your owner's manual. You will also need a clean funnel designed for transmission fluid, some clean rags, and gloves to keep your hands clean. Now let's locate the transmission fluid dipstick. Open the hood and find the dipstick, which usually has a red, orange, or yellow handle. It is shorter than the oil dipstick. If you have trouble finding it, your owner's manual can help. Once you have located the dipstick, pull it out and wipe it clean with a rag. Reinsert the dipstick fully, then pull it out again to check the fluid level. The dipstick will have marks indicating the correct fluid level when the engine is warm. Now it's time to add the transmission fluid. Place the funnel into the dipstick tube and add fluid slowly, about half a quart at a time. After each addition, wait a moment, then check the fluid level again by wiping, reinserting, and removing the dipstick. Stop adding fluid once the level reaches the full or max mark on the dipstick. A few important tips. Never add transmission fluid when the engine is cold, as this will give you an inaccurate reading. Always use the type of transmission fluid specified in your owner's manual. Using the wrong fluid can damage your transmission. Avoid overfilling, as too much fluid can lead to serious transmission issues. After you finish adding fluid, remove the funnel and wipe any spills immediately. Make sure the dipstick is fully seated. Keep the engine running for a few more minutes and check the fluid level one last time. Regular maintenance is key. Check your transmission fluid regularly, especially if you notice shifting problems or leaks. Changing the fluid is usually recommended every 50,000 to 100,000 kilometers, but always check your vehicle's manual for specific guidance. Having an emergency car kit that includes a small bottle of transmission fluid can be helpful if you ever notice low fluid while on the road. By learning to check and add transmission fluid properly, you can take better care of your car and avoid costly repairs. Plus, it builds your confidence in basic vehicle maintenance.